yan? May katabi ka? Hi, baby whale. What's that? Baby whale. Baby whale, baby. It's a baby whale. Why? Why? You're giving it to mommy? Are you giving it to mommy? Give to mommy? Give? Tingnan mo. I-give niya. Kanya to bayad. Payment. Look, payment yan. Payment. Thank you. Kailangan pag may kinuha ka na inaabot niya. Kukuhanin mo sa bubuhatin mo. Payment daw yun. Hi! Say hi to daddy. Oh, yung payment mo, balik ko na. Tapos ayaw niya nang kunin. Ay.